Let's explore the European project NewSkin, an innovative initiative that could revolutionize the sectors of nano-enabled surfaces and membranes. NewSkin is one of a number of EU-funded open innovation testbeds designed to support getting EU nanotechnology innovations into the market. NewSkin OITB's innovative manufacturing, upscaling and testing facilities will provide the innovation ecosystem with necessary tools to create, validate and accelerate novel surface, coating and membrane prototypes. Advancing the performance and durability of materials will enhance many nano-enabled industrial and consumer products for a range of key European industries, including steel, ceramics, transport, water treatment, and general industry.
Hi, I am Claudio Rossini, the CTO of FutureChromes, which is a technology company that is developing photochromic materials with highly enhanced properties. And we do this for quite different applications, mainly for ophthalmic lenses and eyewear in general, which provide visual comfort. We do also for smart windows that provides not only visual comfort but also thermal comfort and has energy saving implications. And finally also for dynamic printable inks that change their color depending on the light irradiations, which can be used for dynamic advertisements, for example.
Our experience working with LATAT in the NewSkin project has been a great opportunity to get access to industrially relevant techniques to scale up the preparations of our photochromic materials, such as roll-to-roll and also spray coating. And regarding future collaborations, we've been able to see LATAT's capabilities regarding future projects and collaborations.
The challenges that needed to be overcome along the project was to make a step further toward the industrialization of our technology. So we proved already with several industrial partners that our technology has enhanced photochromic properties, fast response, and much higher stability than other technology in the market. But now we needed to do a step more toward and make these materials in a large scale through industrial processes. So this collaboration served to do one step more towards the industrialization of our technology. Now, the next steps for the company is keep working on the industrialization. Thanks to this project, we are seeing what is the most suitable way to produce our materials in a large scale. And so this will give us the opportunity to collaborate with LATAT, but also with other industrial partners by showing that the technology is scalable and can be applied in real products.
Now, let's look at the upgraded pilot plants at LATAT Terrassa used by FutureChromes in the NewSkin OITB. Here, the LATAT team is performing an optimum atmospheric pressure plasma pre-treatment in roll-to-roll onto PET films provided by NewSkin OITB partner Chromogenics to activate the surface of the material before deposition of optical coatings from FutureChromes. And here, the LATAT team is applying a nano-enabled coating using the same upgraded automatic spray system used to apply innovative photochromic coatings formulated in FutureChromes on relatively large areas of the target substrates to obtain a homogeneous photoactive coating. The NewSkin Open Innovation Test Bed unites partners to accelerate the adoption of advanced surface technologies for industry and society. The NewSkin AISBL, a non-profit association, coordinates these efforts, streamlining access to OITB's services and shaping strategy. The aim is to enhance capabilities in areas like tribology, water treatment, energy storage, packaging, renewable energy, and more. Through an innovation ecosystem, NewSkin OITB provides resources, services, and expertise to advance innovations from lab to production. Services cover design, prototyping, scale-up, testing, and market strategy, leveraging over 20 cutting-edge facilities for nano-enabled products, coatings, and textures. Nano-enabled surfaces and membranes stand out among key enabling technologies, with their potential to support sustainable development and benefit key sectors. NewSkin, OITB, is advancing innovations in manufacturing, scale-up and testing facilities to meet the functional surface challenges in key European industries. It also fosters collaboration between corporates, SMEs, universities, and technological centres like LETAT. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the NewSkin OITB facilities and services.